Good morning, folks. Here is a Daiwa 212 RL fishing reel, eBay purchased, made in Japan. Today I'm going to take a look at it because it is some rough winding. You can hear that's stiff. So I believe probably hasn't been lubricated in a while. So today I'm going to take it, start taking it apart. Okay. Let's screw off the cap. Okay. Look at the inside. The cap, looks like a little dirt in there. Put that to the side. Yeah, like a little dirt stuff. All right. Let's take off this cap here. Okay. So slowly raise it off. Okay. Yeah, a little grime in there, you can see it. Here. All right. Now, we'll flip this little ring up. We'll call that keeper ring. Okay. That out of there. Put it to the side. Okay, now we'll take off the handle. Okay, I'm gonna need a different screwdriver. It's not working. Okay, let's see if this screwdriver works. It's a little stiff coming out of there. There we go. All right. All right, we'll put this with this. Now, we take this off. Okay. Screwdriver again, loosen this bolt carefully. Then I'll pull this part out. Alright. Well, in order not to lose the screw, I'll take it and hopefully screw it back in where it came from. Okay. Make sure I don't lose it. Alright. Now, here's another screwdriver. And take off the little side screws. Got one down. Take this one. Okay. There's the other one. Let's take off this one. One. Now let's see. All right. Okay, yeah. Now you can see the grease in there. It's wow. I think it's solidified. Yeah, there's a little bit of cleaning up. Should be enough for this reel. Alright, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I'm going to take this and put it in an ultrasonic cleaner, clean it up and get some, then put it back together. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment. Thank you.